In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. To change your language, head over to more option here, and then from here, scroll down until you see this option called settings. Now under settings, choose the first option, which is account info, and this will display all your account details. And if you scroll down below, you should be able to see language option. Currently, you can see my current language is English. So if you wish to change this to any of the languages, go ahead and tap on it. And here you see we have quite a number of languages that you can switch to. So go ahead and select the language that you wish. And once you have selected it, it will be saved instantly. So that's how you can change your language on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.